Hi everyone, welcome back again. Today we will again cover a most important topic in for Selenium Java. Okay. Today let's go for the topic of TestNG. Okay, TestNG for Selenium. So it's a most important framework, guys. Okay. So what is TestNG? Okay. So we'll discuss about for the TestNG today. So before that, we have to just look into it that what we have already covered. Okay. So with our the tutorials basic Java with Selenium, we have already covered that what is Selenium Webdriver. Okay, and basic overview of Opps concept, because when you go for the Selenium, guys, you have to brief knowledge in like your object oriented concept. What is that in Java only? Okay, so we already covered that all the concept like inheritance, interface, class, object creation. Okay, then method overloading, okay, static keywords, okay, then the constructor, the types of constructor, and also in the last video we cover different types of locators. Okay, in the Selenium, what are the locators are there, and what is Xpath, different type of Xpath. Also we have covered some like the basic automation framework, okay, using the Maven folder structure, that we already covered that POM structure, page upload model. Okay, so you can, if you're not go through the video, guys, please just request you to please go through the video, then it's better to understand that what we will discuss today. Okay. Okay, so now we go to our topic, that what is TestNG. Okay, so TestNG, guy, is the most important framework, okay, that's used for that Selenium Java, okay, for the automation testing. Okay, so it's the most popular framework. So yeah, I just write down the definitions for you guys. So what is TestNG? So TestNG is a framework, okay, framework for Java that used for perform automation, okay, automation of our automated web application. Okay, because we know that Selenium is the scope is for the mobile, not for mobile application, only for that web application. Okay, it's not for that mobile application or the window based application, because there are different tools are there. So Selenium is only for the web application. Okay, web application. Fine. So this is a framework. Okay, so there are different types of annotations, guy. Okay, in TestNG, where we have different types of annotations are there. So types of annotations. Okay, in TestNG. So there are lots of types of annotation. Like first one is there is test annotation. Okay, then at the rate before, okay, before suit, okay, then at the rate after suit, after suit, okay, then at the rate before test, okay, and at the rate after test, okay, and also at the rate before class, then at the rate after class, okay, then at the rate before method. Okay, so these all these are using for our, like in the framework only, guys, for the testing. Okay, for the automation testing using TestNG. Okay, before method and at the rate after method, after method. Okay, Then one more annotation is guys, it's for the data driven texting. Okay, it's for that like data provider. Okay, we will definitely cover this topic. It's most important topic is okay, data provider. Okay, so these are the most commonly used annotations. Okay, for TestNG. So now we'll cover this at the rate test. Okay, so because this thing is cover, this will be used for every like every test cases. Whatever test scripts we have different methods. Okay, so let's just I just show you the example with the example. Okay, so I have one project that one demo project that created. Okay, so here I am just creating a new class. Okay, suppose I have a new class. Okay, suppose in the test package. Okay, test case package, I'm just creating a new class. Okay, new class for like it's for that, it's for your like suppose I'm using a by class. Okay, by class, giving a name by. So suppose I'm just creating a method here. Suppose in by I have to first like login. Okay, I need to use for the login to the web application. Okay, so for the first method will be public, then void. Okay, void then login. Okay, so here I want to be just log into that particular web application. Okay, so I already described you guys for that our suppose we have a framework. Okay, so I have already created one like by default common methods. Okay, that I want to be create once and used throughout my in my all framework. Okay, in my framework I have created it once, and within the all like my test cases I will just call it. Okay, so let's see how it's how will I will go for call it. Okay, suppose this is my already one like login classes, there is common class. Okay, common so in the class I have a common method like get driver. Okay, so I already implemented it. Okay, so this is a main like whenever you go for like suppose write a script for suppose open browser. Okay, this is a common, this is a basic things, right? So you need to first set the property. Okay, system dot set property. Okay, so system, in the system like it's a class. Okay, so in the class we have a method called set property. Okay, so in the set property we have to just like we have to just give our whatever driver. Okay, because we have lots of driver, you know, because we have chrome driver, we have echo driver. So for in the set property you have to first just mention your what which driver you are going to use. Okay, so I am using chrome driver. Okay, so after that you need to download your driver. Okay, the driver extension is exe. Okay, so I am just downloading that chrome.exe. Okay, so what is that website that you need to download? Okay, so the website is the URL is like I just showing you that you will download this application. Okay, so you need to just write it download Selenium. Okay, so here in the second, in the first or second link you know you just get Selenium dev. Okay, downloads. So here you have to go for, it's already in the download. Okay, so you have to scroll down. So here you know you just got the option of browsers here, guys. Browsers. Okay, so here you need to go for which driver you want. If suppose Gecko driver or Safari driver, Edge driver. Okay, Opera driver. Okay, then Chrome driver. So in the documentation guy you can got that, but which driver you want. Okay, The latest one is here only. Okay, so here only in the particular like link only you have the download page. Okay, so you got all this like whatever the latest version is there. Okay, the latest version is just 114.057. Okay, it's the latest version. Okay, so the day by day it is updating, guys. Okay, but it may be increase when you are watching. Okay, it may be the latest version there. Okay, so here only we can download. Okay, so we are going to our topic. Okay, yeah, here I have created a common method. Okay, so here I have just given the path. Okay, which path file path it is there. Okay, then I created a object for it. Okay, so driver is the variable. Okay, so after that this is the method of our guys for maximizing window. Okay, suppose when I opening a like one application web application. Okay, then in that Chrome driver only I just in the browser. Okay, it's first time it is just minimizing. Okay, it's not in the maximizing mode. Okay, so after this using this method only you can just maximizing. Okay, okay, driver dot manage dot. Okay, timeout dot. Okay, so this is for like delete cookies, guys. Okay, so whenever you are just like deleting any cookies. Okay, so this is the method. Okay, so I just writing down that maximizing window here. Okay, driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Okay, guys, so previous one is not for that maximize. Okay, so this is that methods for maximizing window. Okay, so this is for deleting the cookies, because suppose we have repeatedly using any URL every time. Okay, so first it's better to delete all cookies. Okay, so you're getting the latest build from the web team. Okay, then this is that like wait, guys. Okay, we'll cover in the next video what are the there are mainly three types of wait. Okay, implicitly wait, explicitly wait, and front wait. Okay, so we'll cover in the next video. Okay, then this is our URL. Okay, so in that in our particular this is a common method. Okay, I already told you. So I have already created one like one source file also. Okay, where I have just stored some data test data like URL, username, password. Okay, so this URL is coming from the constant. Okay, the constant one interface is there. So here I have just like storing the test data. Okay, so browser I have given here like Chrome. Okay, URL is I have just giving one demo application is here. Okay, username is there. Okay, so by this way you can just there are various way, guys. You can also use the property file, also use that Excel file. Okay, so here I using it one interface. Okay, I'm just using an interface here. Okay, so how we can call this like this test data, I already told you in a previous video. Okay, so how the one interface, one class to interface, we can just call all the property or the methods. Okay, so here I have implements it. Okay, you know that from a class to an interface, the one keyword is like implements keyword is there. Okay, for the class to class, if you go it's for the extend keyword for inheritance, and for the interface implements keyword. Okay, so I implement this particular constant interface here. Then I can easily just write down our whatever variable with it will call. Okay, then this is the right script for sleep or to stay 5 seconds. Okay, suppose we are just going to one particular page, so you can see the loader will be there. It can be take 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, so you can just give that particular whatever time you require for stay on the page. Okay, till the page is load. Okay, so this I already covered in the common method. It's called get driver. Okay, so I just come to my like this particular by class. Okay, where you need to be just call this particular method. Okay, so first we need to call that particular method, guys. There are two ways, right? First we need to like suppose if we are going to a like object for that class. Okay, we can do that way, or we can static. Okay, we can just make that particular what method as static. Okay, so I already make it static. Okay, so what I can do, I just give that particular class name. Okay, and by okay class name dot. Okay, you can see the get driver I got because it's already make as static. Okay, login dot static get driver. Okay, okay, we need to just make as add through declaration. Okay, after that it will call. Okay, so for this guys we need to, so I already told you that for run a particular the one method in our Java. Okay, we have there are two ways. Okay, so the basic thing is like we have to just create a main method. Okay, public static main method. Okay, and another ways I already, if you remember, I already told you in the previous video, we have a annotation. Okay, called at the rate test annotation in the TestNG. Okay, by this also we can run a particular method. Okay, so first we need to import it. Okay, so remember guys, if when you creating a new fresh project, okay, in your particular id, okay, and you are going to create a new project, then you are if you are going for import it. Okay, so at that time it is asking for that add the library TestNG library. Okay, I have already added. Okay, because I already created some annotations. Okay, so first you have to, when you hover on it, it is asking for the add that particular library. Okay, then and the second time it's asking for that import that particular test annotations. Okay, you have to just import it. Okay, and save it. Then you can, when I go for run this particular test file, you can see the testing is there. Okay, I can run through it. Okay, if you suppose you are removing this one, okay, suppose I just removing this particular test. Okay, and save it and just going for run it, you can see you have not have that particular test annotations here. Okay, so after adding that particular test on it, okay, it will show. Okay, we run it, it will show the error because I haven't added that particular no test found. Okay, so after adding only it will run. At the rate test. Okay. If now you can run. Okay, run as TestNG. See, now that particular URL is opened. Okay guys, so now you can see that the browser is already opened. Okay, so to close this particular browser, okay, there is a method guys. Okay, it's driver dot. Okay, not because I, why it's not coming guys. Okay, because I haven't created one what object for it. Okay, so I have to just create one object here. Okay, Webdriver. Okay, driver. Okay, then new Chrome driver. then I need to import it, import WebDriver, then Chrome driver. Okay, then save it. Okay, then you can found that particular method here. Okay, because all these methods, okay, all this method, how I can got it after the creating the object only. Okay, so this is my variable, so close. Okay, there is one more method guys, is called quit. Okay, if you can control space here, you can see if you type q. Okay, see, so I will cover what is the difference between both. Are the function is same, okay, but there is a difference between this. Okay, so this that particular I will cover in the next videos. Okay, that was the most important interview question guys. Okay, let's see, when I save it and run it, it's opening, maximizing it, open the URL, then it will close. So sometime I need to, if it's not working, I need to add one sleep here. Okay, it's already passed. Okay, sleep here, after that it will close. Okay, so better we need to add, we just add this particular in that common method. Okay, that is it will apply. Okay, after opening it, I just want to be close it. Okay, after 5 seconds I just want to be close it. Okay, so let's see how it's work, because I am calling this particular same method, same class guys, right? Okay, same method from the login class. Okay, so let's see, I just going to my class here. Okay, saving it and running it, right click, run, TestNG. Okay guys, you can see it's closing now. Okay, so now you can see where you are, we are using this particular framework. Okay, because it's showing you the result, how many test cases are there and how many got pass or fail. Okay, it's already so it's have the report also guys. When you, after running that particular file, okay, then you have to refresh your project. Okay, refresh it and just clicking it once more, refresh. Then in the what test output file, you can got one report as well. Okay, index.html. Okay, pass.png also there. Okay, now the format is also not supporting in my like Eclipse. Okay, so here we can got your result as well. Okay, so that's why we are using like this particular framework of TestNG. Okay, so one more file is there, testing.xml file. Okay guys, so I will cover this in the next video, what is the use of this. Okay, suppose we have numbers of hundred of test cases. Okay, so on this 100 test cases I need to mark some as smoke test. Okay, one some as regression test, so some as an group. Okay, so how we are run that one, that in the we can just store or just like priority all the test cases in that particular testing XML only. We can make a group. Okay, so this is a use for the testing XML file. So I will cover that topic in the next video guys. Okay, till then, till now you just create this particular add this particular dependency. Okay, you can go for your pub.xml. Okay, add your Selenium, then your testing dependency here guys. Okay, then only it will work. Okay, then you can import all this library and your files and you can run it, guys. Okay, so just try from your side, guys. If any issue, just comment it out. Okay, and please subscribe my channel that you can got the new notification or update whatever like new video will got uploaded, guys. Okay, so yeah, keep learning, guys, and you have the clarity on it. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, we'll see you in the next video.